Today we're going apartment hunting in DC. We're gonna look at like 5 apartments. Yeah, I have my Kwanzaa collection shirt, shop the Kwanzaa collection. I'm looking at studio apartments. I need somewhere that has like a parking garage, and I need somewhere that's like super secure, and then somewhere that has like a washer and dryer in unit because I wash a lot of clothes. Oh, okay y'all, this is the first apartment. We've already toured the amenities and stuff. This is the door. So we got a nice plain white door. You walk in and there's a closet to the right. Pretty deep. And then on the left is the bathroom. So there's me. Pull it. The bathroom is pretty spacious. I don't like that it doesn't have a tub, even though I never take baths, but I don't know, that annoys me. Medicine cabinet. The mirror is everything. This mirror, I can see myself definitely putting something right here, like some type of storage unit or device. Then you come in here, this is the bedroom area. You come in, this is the kitchen. And then this is the living area, and there's a lot of big windows here, which is nice because not every place has windows like that. They have one small little window. What do you guys think of this place so we can remember? So like once we tour all the places, we can remember how we feel.
Well, this is just to me it's like community living, because it's got a lot of young people in the building, all of the amenities that they have.
I love the amenities.
The places are well.
Yeah, I love the amenities.
They're well designed.
Right here,
Yeah.
washer dryer. It looks like a utility room.
Yeah, this is the washer dryer. Yeah, it's not cute.
Yeah, we can make it cute.
This place is nice. I definitely love the windows. I love the amenities. I like the price. Everything on these utility doors are not really the move, but other than that, it's nice. I mean, I would live here. I'm interested to see the other options.
Yes.
I don't like that there's no tub either, but I might be being dramatic because I never take baths. And yeah, I don't like how that shower head is set up either. Like, what am I supposed to do with that? Okay, so this is the next place. Ooh, this is the next place. You walk in, this is the bathroom. There is a tub, so you can't complain. There's still a really big mirror. Medicine cabinet. This is a den. They don't have lighting in here. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be a bedroom. I guess it could be an office. It's, yeah.
You said you like what?
She said she would make it her bedroom. It would definitely have to be lit up.
I mean,
And it would just be the bed in here.
Yeah, we just be the bed.
But there's a lot of closet
the
space.
reason why you don't want it to be your bed is because you don't have a closet in here.
It don't
The
matter
closets
if
are
you have
here.
It don't matter if you have a closet
It's just,
or not.
the closet's right here.
I think it has more of a office.
And the reason why I say that, because then your bedroom, you can close the door if somebody comes. You just close the door. And then
Yeah, that would probably washer dryer.
Where's the closet for this? This
Yeah.
closet right out here.
And then this is the main living space.
What was that door down there you was not for?
It won't open.
And this is the view. So what's everybody's feelings?
It's definitely a studio.
Really, Mom?
It's
It's a
tight.
video. Dad?
What you say?
I said, what's your feelings on this place so we can remember?
It's just a little more dated than the other place. It's nice. I mean, it got granite countertops and cool appliances. It's got a little area for your office or your bedroom. It's quaint.
I hate this place. I will not be living here. The vibes are horrible from like the front desk people, the people that work here. There's no amenities. Stop. This would be nice to somebody.
This would be
It's just not for me.
Right.
I feel like I would just be depressed.
You know what I feel
here.
like? You know what I feel like right here?
Right.
Good times. Temporary layoff.
Okay, so this is the third place, and it has 2 closets in the front,
Yeah.
and then the kitchen area.
Balcony.
Well, you definitely got more living space out on the balcony.
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is huge. This balcony is huge.
Come on, you can work from outside. Out here.
Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, this is nice. This is the bathroom. Shower, no tub. I suddenly care so much about a tub. Mirror.
So this one faces the pool, so we're a little different here.
Okay.
This is a nice big closet.
So we're about 446 square feet, excuse me.
Okay, I can tell the difference. Okay, here's the pool.
Got some laundry room, closet.
Huge bathroom. This is the
Well,
model.
it'd be cool until it was finished.
Oh, this is cute and cozy. This is a smart. A mirror on the way out.
Oh, I love this mirror.
Yeah, I like how they did this right here.
Oh,
This is
yeah.
super.
Yeah,
That's a
smart.
great.
So cute. I actually like the furniture for them.
Oh man, this is nice.
You
This is
could.
that place.
Yeah.
This is cool, Keith.
We do offer studios that look just like this on this floor. People love having the convenience of being on the same floor level as the other amenities. That way you get first dibs for like the study hall, fitness center, etc.
I like the third place. Obviously, they both have their pros and cons.
No, the third place was nice. The third place was
The third place is nice. We have 2 solid options. This is the, I think we're on the 4th place. So you open this door. This is like a closet. The kitchen. Through this door is the bathroom.
With the linen.
With the linen in it. Which is nice. Washer dryer, and then this is the main living space. There's this one. It has the same kitchen, laundry room.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the one.
Yeah, this one has a room.
They still consider it a studio because it doesn't have a door right here.
This one looks better than the room in the second one.
But you gotta deal with
Because you have
that.
a window.
You gotta deal with construction and the trains.
Bathroom. Tub. Nice tub and shower head. Nice mirror.
Yeah, so all of our clients who are GE approved too, as you can see, if you ever, again, our maintenance is always staffed, and we also have an issue, you just put it in a work order and then we'll come and deal with it.
Okay. Awesome.
You definitely have to get creative with the space because
Yes.
it's like L shape. Again, your view is another building, and this is probably the brightest it'll get like during this time. Apartment for 12. This is the 1 bedroom.
Okay.
So the crazy thing about this apartment is actually cheaper for 12-month rent than the studio we just saw.
Oh, really? What is the price of this
The
one?
price of this one's $1,844.
Okay.
But if you do the 10-month lease on the 410, it's $1,661. But again, you wouldn't get the free month, and you get the free month here for a 12-month lease, as well as if you did the 12 months of the other. So it actually did a lot of lighting during the daylight here.
Oh, yeah.
It's actually a ton. Like you wouldn't even need like the lights that are in it that you put into. And then as well as too, when you go in the bedroom, you won't have that walk-in closet, but you
So for this one, you said the 1 month free, you could prorate it over the month?
Yeah. I'm gonna double check with Aldo, but I think that's what some people have been doing too.
Okay.
Either you can get the free month rent and just use the free month and then been paying it, but I'm gonna have to double check with those for rates.
Okay.
Because that would change something.
Yeah, I like the windows here better. It's like way brighter, way more airy.
I wish you saw it during the day, like you get so much lighting.
Yeah. There's so much space. Okay, so this is the 1 bedroom. Storage closet here.
And how far are we from your job here?
This is the closest one. Kitchen, nice full-size kitchen. It does have the lower countertops, so I can remember that. Full-size living room, living space, 2 big windows, bedroom.
I like the 1 bedroom.
Yeah, I like the 1 bedroom. This is what I would have to do.
I like the 1 bedroom.
And then again, too, this one's available.
I don't like these lights, but it's not that big of a deal. The lights, but it's not that.
Like the light.
Or the lights.
Yeah.
But it's not that tragic. Yeah,
This one's definitely like more spacious